It's one last time for a Diva huddle before on-site installation. We spend a lot of time getting the schedule of our trades lined up. Our contractors will know what days they're going to site and what other trades they need to interface with. Say for example, like a joiner having cabinetry ready for an electrician to fit off power points to. They'll also be super clear on what they're expected to have done by the completion of that day, so we don't have a rolling issue if things aren't completed. At our internal meeting, we will discuss health and safety issues and site limitations. For example, the car park has yet to be sealed and we must unload from the road. If that's the scenario, then we'll devise solutions for safely unloading from the roadside and ensure there's a sealed and level surface for trades to use trolleys on. The Divas will do one last review to ensure all orders have been received and the contractors have checked off their scope. We'll call our graphics suppliers to ensure all the graphics are produced and that, if possible, they will be inspected before they're brought to site. This pre-site meeting is vital to ensure that all the excellent work done to date is not undone by a simple missing order or a wrong date for trades. The no surprises ethos continues across the project's entire lifespan and is even more vital in these final stages.